Hi everyone, we're back with Quarantine Kitchen. Again, my name is Carly and today we're making something really special. Strawberry season and summer is just around the corner. You're starting to see strawberries all over in the supermarket. So today we'll be making strawberry shortcake. So what I've done first is I've combined all of our dry ingredients for the actual shortcake. I've put in some butter as well as some heavy cream. I just combined it within a food processor and then put it out on a flat surface, kind of rolled it all together so it's in one big ball here. You don't want to incorporate everything too well because then you'll end up over mixing it and then your shortcakes won't puff up as much. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our baking sheet like this. We have our dough here. And you're going to want to take either a 2-inch ice cream scoop or just a 1/4 cup like I have here. And you're just going to scoop your dough into your 1/4 cup or your ice cream scoop until they're in little mound just like this. And then you're going to put them on a prepared baking sheet. Okay, so once I have all of my shortcakes put out on my baking sheet, I'm gonna pop them in the fridge for about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, so my dough has been in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes or so. Everything is all cooled back down. So I'm going to take off my saran wrap. And I have about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream in this bowl. And I have my brush. And I'm just going to brush the cream on top of the biscuits. Alrighty, the biscuits are all brushed with heavy cream. I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 350 degrees and check them around 25 minutes. Okay, so while our biscuits are in the oven baking, I'm going to get started on our filling. So what I have here is about 1 quart of strawberries. I've cut them into halves, and for the larger ones, I've quartered them. So I just put them in this bowl here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, just like that. And then a 1/4 cup of sugar. So now that I've mixed together my sugar, lemon zest, and strawberries, I'm going to transfer half of the strawberries into a saucepan. I already have about a tablespoon of water in there. Just transfer half of those in, approximately. I'm gonna put this on the stovetop on about medium-low heat. And then these strawberries, I'm just gonna let macerate for the next 15 to 20 minutes. So what I'm doing with these strawberries on the stovetop is I'm looking for kind of like a jammy consistency. It'll take probably about 10 to 15 minutes to reach that, but you just wanna go low and slow so you don't burn anything. While my jam was simmering on the stove, I decided to make my whipped cream. This is so easy, but you can of course use store-bought if you'd like. Okay, so my strawberry jam is off of the stovetop. I've let that cool. My strawberries are all macerated in their liquid. I did take my shortcakes or my biscuits out of the oven. So what I'm gonna do now is assemble my strawberry shortcakes. Right, so I cut my shortcake in half. I'm going to start with my strawberry jam. Just get a little bit of this right on the bottom. Like that. And then I'm going to put my strawberries right on top. And then I'm going to take my whipped cream and just put a nice heavy scoop of that right on top. And then top with your biscuit. Yum! And now time for the taste test. This dessert is so good and so easy to make. Thanks for watching, and as always, please visit sturgeonbay.net for more information on all things Sturgeon Bay.